Ano?
Hindi, tinatanong ko man.
Tuwan-tuwa ang mga bagets. Hindi. Asan ba si Ed? Oy, hoy, suotin mo na to. Dalia, uto ko to, lulaway sa ano mo, kuya.
Hindi ko kilala yung Rosie.
Tara.
One.
Siya isa pa daw.
Sige.
Bili ako sa kanya mga things na yun.
Jera pala to. Jera. Dalia. Uy. Hi, Mickey.
Hindi kang kasali. May free lang yan eh, may ganyan din tayo.
Hindi mag-ride sila. Hindi tayo mag-ride.
Hindi na daw mag-ride.
Walang ride dito. Hey, Tony.
Hey!
Dun, dun, dun. Si Frozen, no? Si Elsa, nasa ano, no?
北京全西貢熱定能源嘅態。
Oh, ito na.
Fasten your seatbelt, right? And under the seat, back under the seat.
Dito. Ayun na, umawa mo. Sige, pwede naman kita i-pick dito.
May bayad din naman yun. May min talaga yan. 4K lang naman. Sila, no? Ang balas ko sila, no? Hindi nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan ko.
Ito naalala mo sinabi din.
Oo nga.
Sir, country boy nga ako eh.
Big Grizzly Mountain Mine.
Ito na po,
Lower your mine card.
Silaki
Sit down. Pull down your left restraint. Remove your hands. And store all your gear in the cargo bag in front of
Sakto, parang
you.
edit.
Sure, you need a seat.
Correct ko! Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Diretso ayoko! Nada. Ayun na! Ayun na!
Lumipat ka.
講前喺純能源同埋健康管理嘅小朋友，多謝合作，在座位上坐好，請將您的胳膊、手腳放在床裡面，並請照顧好您的小孩。
Ganda oh. Ang ka sa camera, boyo.
Okay. Voucher pa lang na. Yun sa'yo.
By a sign above each of the turnstiles. Although some lines may look longer than others, the wait time is the same for each.
Ano siya? Ano siya?
I'm your giver. My name is Alice. Hello, everyone. Hello. Science Entry has many scientists who do the research. Let's say hello to them. Hello. If you don't want to research, just go to the shower. Oh. Watch out! No! Okay. Just kidding. Yoshi. Turn around and look at me. Let's get off you. Stupid drip. But don't worry, guys. It's all you give me your elbows on fire. Maybe you will be the next doctor. Oh no. Anyone get hurt? Elephant is the number 2 elephant in the world because the number 1, this one, the number 1 because it's white. Oh wait, the last one is my best friend, Giver's Kids. Oh, maybe we can get a help. I don't be shy, let's say to daddy.
Saan pa siya?
Wala naman. Ano kasi?
It's probably everyone. Oh no, got the wrong way again. Don't worry, guys. We are back.
This is our last full day. Ay, di pa pala. Joke lang. Friday pa pala kami uuwi. Friday ng umaga. So, yung flight namin, so yung flight natin,
9 a.m.
9 a.m. Oh.
Maliwanag naman natin.